can say the names. It's okay.
Allahu Akbar.
No big deal. Morocco beat Portugal. I don't really follow football that much, but we know the scores and, we're up to date with what happens and so on. So there is a specific way of pouring Moroccan tea. Those who know.
The green tea, yeah?
Yeah, the Moroccan tea.
Yeah.
It's not green mint tea, it's Moroccan tea. Don't get it wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Specific, yes.
You got to go there to appreciate it.
Allahu Akbar.
And so you pour it in a way that you actually lift the kettle right up and you let it, make that sound and bubble up and so on. It's the height of hospitality among the Moroccans. So people thought I was cussing the Portuguese. I didn't. I was just giving them tea to calm down because they didn't believe what happened. That's all. I promise you. And why did Morocco deserve credit? Because they walloped them. What else? I mean, it was history made. Morocco's the only African team that ever went to where it got to. The only one. And even from the Arab world, it's the only one. So African and Arab. Moroccan is not just one of the two. They belong to different identities. And mashallah, that's where Allah's placed them. So why not? That's why I did that with the tea. Not because I was cussing someone or I wanted to, hurt their feelings. They say, what are you doing? I did another one as well. When Saudi Arabia knocked out, not knocked out, but when they beat Argentina, it was history, man. It was the first loss after 36 wins. Come on. The first ever Asian team in history to knock out, or to beat, should I say, Argentina. I just wanted to say, well done to them. I don't think I committed something haram. And I just said, I tried to crack a bit of a witty joke to say things got a little bit messy. Not because I don't like the guy. Not because I don't like the guy or I like the guy. It had nothing to do with it. It's just the word. It happened to be a guy's name in that team is Messi. I didn't choose his name. So things got a bit messy. And later on I congratulated them, or I just said well done to them because they took the World Cup. It doesn't mean I swapped teams. I was a hypocrite. I didn't say I belong to any team at all. I still follow the Moroccan tea.